fuck that. Whew. Boy, it's hot. Fuck, man. Jesus, it's hot in a bitch. Hell. My hair feels like shit. But what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, Skinny Man Feels. Today is cardio and abs. As you can see, I just got off the bike. Now I'm about to do some ab workouts and then get on the Stairmaster and then do some abs. And then hopefully I die and lose 5 pounds today. I already at my first meal of the day. It's about to be 4 minutes away from 12 o'clock. Yeah, ain't really shit going on. Editing is taking a lot longer than it's supposed to. Homework is kicking my ass. I might actually drop a class at this point because it's a little too much twerk. Only thing good is I don't have to worry about paying the school back or something like that, or paying the army back for paying for my classes. So I'll just drop the class, take it again later because I'm getting spanked right now. So first I'll just do some type of ab workout and yeah, let's get into it. Fuck. I got swamp ass right now from being on that bike for so long. But who gives a damn? Fuck. I'm still sick-ish, sadly, but who cares? Still got to be in the gym. Fucking hate swamp ass. Moist booty and shit, but it is what it is. I'm gonna start off with some knee raises. I ain't getting off the fucking pull-up bar. See if I can die there a little bit, and then we'll lay on the ground and you know the rest. That's one thing I don't like. It's nasty ass. Oh, I'm finna rip my fucking hand off. I don't really miss doing. Like, abs is a hit or miss for me. Like, I fuck with it, but it's just, ugh. It don't give you the same, like, pump, like doing a chest, back, or arm workout. Now that I say it out loud, I do got legs coming up soon. That's gonna be fucking hell. Let's worry about where we at today. Fucking abs. I really don't like that. I feel like I'm straining my fucking hand. So probably gonna do something else. Oh, what else can I do for abs? There's no ab machine. I'm gonna just do some sit-ups or some shit, so fuck it. Hold on. I'm in a shot, but what they got for me? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Sit-ups it is, man. I could really do this shit forever, or at least I used to be able to do this shit forever. Let's see if we still got it. Nope. If we don't still got it. God damn it. I feel like a fat bitch. Fuck. Death in there. Oh, okay, come on. So I really think, no, I'll just wait. See, the one thing about abs I know is once you start feeling the actual burn is when you're supposed to actually start counting your reps. I just started feeling a burn. So now everything starts counting. Everything before that was grass, basically. It was a warm up. Fuck. Don't do the sound. Damn. Fucking doing abs got hard. I remember in 2021, my first time military training, I was able to do like 300 sit ups at a go. Your boy used to be shredded. My abs had abs. Now we just struggling doing 10. It's breathing hard, trying to catch up to the front of the love. Fuck. But yeah, back in the day, your boys used to be able to pump out these sit-ups like nothing. I used to have men looking at me, wanting to fuck me. Now I'm just a regular fat boy. Come on, stop being a bitch. All right. What I want to do next is really what I want to do is just rotate between whatever that is called and leg raises, and that's what it's gonna be. Cause I feel like my lower abs is what needs to be deleted. Yeah, because I don't think there's really any reason to work out the top, like doing crunches and shit. Maybe after I can see my abs, yeah, but until I can see them bitches, I think I'm gonna just focus on lower abs. So the plan: cardio first, and then I probably should start doing leg tucks, but my arms are shot. So okay, let's start over. Plan: cardio, however many minutes of bike or treadmill you want to do. Second, start off with a little warm up for the abs. I did knee raises off the fucking pull up bar. And then now I'm on the floor getting it dirty and shit. Take a little break, get back into it. Your ab day doesn't really start until you start feeling a burn. So everything you did before the burn doesn't count. After the burn, you got 5 sets of whatever the fuck. Then you go back to bike or stairmaster or a treadmill. Then you come back, do some more abs, 5. Then you kick rocks. Life be life. All right. Raises, leg raises, so you're gonna call these shits. You know what I miss? Working out with a partner, but nobody's consistent enough to go to the gym every day with your boy. So, fuck it, we ball. But, like right now, if I was doing those leg raises with somebody, I'd have them like, that's what we used to do in training, military training. Have somebody push your legs down as it comes up, but they pick direction. All you gotta do is come back up. That should go. Come back up. Now I gotta do this shit myself, which is cool. Life be life. Come on. See what's crazy is I'm not even counting what set I'm on. Life, man, life be life. I'm gonna try to do some fucking hell. I'm gonna try to do some crunches like this since we've just been doing nothing but lower ab focus shit. You wanna see what this here for? Shit light as hell. I'm gonna do the whole thing. Fuck it. Try and build boulder abs. Back your legs up. It's like a right angle. So what's hard about it is, I think, try not to use your hands to just pull it down. You got to really just have your hands as like glued to your body and use your abs to do the work. So you're not cheating yourself and shit. I'd probably say it's about 6 out of 10 on hardness level. Fucking A. Back to lower abs, man. Because I really don't want to do that cardio shit. Like, you know, it's Stairmaster. But y'all get the gist. I'm not going to bore y'all with some more information. You already know what to do next. We going to do this. Call it a day. For y'all, at least. I got one more set to do. Fuck. Damn. So, like, I just ran a marathon or some shit, but yeah. I need my hair done ASAP. ASAP, no Rocky, man. But look, appreciate y'all for tuning in. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Stay positive. Stay motivated. It's sad because I'm still about to go get on this bike. But I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace out.